In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front inner fender well on this Volkswagen Jetta. Let's get into it. Using a 17mm socket, I'm going to take the lug nuts off. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel on from falling. And then grab the wheel and slide it off. We're going to take these screws out. There should be one right there, up here, and throughout the rest of the inner fender well. We're going to use a T25 socket. And there's one up in here, maybe a little tricky to get to. Just to prevent this from falling, I'm just going to put one of the screws back in over here, just finger tight, just a couple turns. That'll keep it from falling down. And take the rest of the screws out, same size. And on the inside right here, on the back side of the bumper, there's 3 screws. Take those out. And down below, there may be a couple more screws. This vehicle doesn't have those. Now I can pull that other screw out. Just grab the inner fender well, and it slides right out. Take the inner fender well, and you want to line it up. Take the screws. We'll get the screws started up top first. And just push it back. Make sure you get all the holes lined up. It's gonna go back here. And then these 3 over near the bumper. You want to make sure you push on the bumper a little bit because this secures the bumper to the fender also. Get that started. And then the other 2. And if you have those lower ones, get those started as well. Before we tighten them all down, you want to make sure this lip is underneath here. Just take a trim tool and just flip it underneath there. It's going to be like that. Same with right here. It's going to go just under the lip. Just like that. That looks good. Now we can tighten those all down. And just snug them down. That one up there. Right there. Put the tire on, line that up. Put the lug bolts in. Now we're going to torque the lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.